Look,
Huh?
where's the bell peppers?
No bell pepper.
Why don't they have bell peppers?
I don't know. I don't have idea. They said it's out already. They have bell pepper in the morning, but all of them is I should sell bell pepper.
Is bell pepper out of stock?
Yeah.
Bell pepper's out of stock.
Yes.
All right, guys. So it's been a while since I took a little walk around the 4 Points. If you're not familiar or you're new to this channel, our store over here in Dowell, there's an area up the road I call 4 Points. It's kind of where all the traffic funnels from off of MacArthur back into this area. There's vendors set up there selling food and fruits, and you know, there's some stores up there. I don't know if the Sisig girl is up there or not. I'm going to find out. But that's where we're going to head today, this afternoon. See what's new up there. Like I said, I haven't walked the road up there in quite a while, so I want to see what's new up there. So anyway, we're going to head up there. But you know what? If you guys pull up on our store, this is what you're going to see. You got old Meanie Cat here. Meanie Cat has 2 kittens. They usually come around when it's time to eat. And of course you have Liberty just hanging out, doing Liberty things. Bachoy's in there.
Stress day.
He has a stress day. He's under the table. He has a stress day when he comes here because he's too nosy. He wants to know what's going on all the time. So he doesn't sit down. He doesn't relax. He just sits there and pants, and he's stressed. He's stressed. He just doesn't know what to do with himself. This place here, one of my subscribers' parents or husband's parents owned this place. Let me show you quick here across the street. It was bought I don't know, probably about 6 months ago now, and they really fixed it up really nice. They're selling ice candy or ice in there. I think they plan on selling food, but they're not going to make it a sari store. It's just going to be like food. So anyways, figured I'd show you that. Hopefully the person's watching or is still watching our show, whose parents, huh? What about Sheila?
I think Sheila is her name.
Sheila is her name.
I think she gets the same name with Sheila.
Oh, the subscriber.
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, it's lots changed, since I've been here. I haven't come here and hung out in months. So figured I'd take a stroll up here. People playing cards. Hey, how you doing? All right, Koya. Happy Fiesta. Hey, is it Fiesta?
Over here.
It is? Oh, okay. Got video, keep playing away. There must be, yep, there's a party back in there. Always a party going on here. Yeah, there's been no real reason for me to come over and just hang out. You know, now that Sheila's gone, Lut's here at the store most of the time, so I figured, you know, I'd come over off and on just to see how things are, hang out. This kind of gets real hot. It's not bad right now. The clouds are setting in. Probably going to rain this evening. Here's all your people that were running for all different types of elections here. Local. Like I told Lut, I said, who's going to take it all down? It'll stay up there until it falls down, right, Lut?
The rain.
Until the rain takes it down. But I mean, it's all over here. It's plastered all over. Hello. Here are your stores. These stores haven't changed.
Huh?
These stores haven't changed.
No.
Is that the store where that guy got taken out?
Yeah.
This store?
No, that's
Oh, okay.
That's
A few months ago, somebody got literally taken out.
with the woman.
Drive-by. It wasn't a drive-by. It was a drive-by, stop, run in, bang, bang, shoot them up, and that was
They
it.
went to the market. When they came home, they're already there.
Yeah.
They're just waiting for them.
Now No, this one here is still the same. Nothing's changed. This one here is new. The building's not new, but the way they constructed everything, is new. Almost looks like a little, well, it's a little sari store, but it's a nice big one. Yeah, it's kind of like a pharmacy. It's not a real pharmacy. They're not selling drugs. This here is still here. Let's got to pick up some bell peppers. This one I don't ever see open too much.
Huh?
This one I don't see open too much.
Open only in the morning.
Open only in the morning. That's just like a little toy store.
I think they're not.
Was it this one, Lut?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one that somebody got. This one here, I don't know what's going on with this one. Hang on. Let me get out of the way here. Excuse me. It gets very, very busy down here, and you got to watch where you're walking. Oh, you'll get run over. It's about 5:30, so everybody is coming home or going wherever they got to do. A lot of people will walk up from the street, come up here. I'm gonna walk down this way first. They'll come up here and buy their dinner or whatever they need, or they stop on the way home. You got your fruits. Hello. Oh, drop your phone. You dropped your Oppo. I want to drop your Oppo. What's new here, Lut? Do you know?
This one.
This is new? Right here? Yeah, this is new.
Like this.
Lemonade, mineral, buko, chocolate, mineral water, mineral iced tea. Hello.
This one used to be fish market.
Yeah, that's right. They used to sell fish there. Hello. Here's salon. That's not. This is the same. This has been here.
Yeah.
Fruits and everything. Vegetables. They bring it all. Is that new? No, the bakery's not new.
No, this is
No. Everything is brought from the market in the morning down here.
It's the same thing.
Got your fish, your pork.
I gotta buy something.
Let's gotta buy some. What you buying, Lut? That's an arcade, a video game for the kids. You buying here? Down there.
I still can see the building.
All right. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Is that new across your street, Lut?
Where?
Is that new?
No.
No. Kind of looks like they got more stuff in here.
Yeah, I think.
This is new. Or they got more stuff in there. Hey, look who it is.
Dito ka na naman.
Santa Grace's playmate.
Ano yan?
We'll head back the other way.
Drawing mo yan?
There's nothing down there but homes. We'll see what's on this side of the road. You got the barber shop here. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. He's got the puppy. Taylor dress. Oh, there, hi. Oh, there they are. It's a fiesta. Fiesta.
Ano boy? Pakain na.
Fiesta. Oh, there he is. There he is. Shushui. Shushui. Those who've been following us for a while know who Shushui is. He's still kicking. We got their store now, huh? Those people, they live right down the road from our store, and they got a store up here now. Good for them. They got, like, I don't know how many kids. They got a ton of kids. Right, Lut? They got a ton of kids.
Not very tight. Maybe it's that.
Every time you turn around, the woman's pregnant. Very thin lady. There's a banana guy. Here's where the Sisig girl used to be, but she's not here. Did they move across the street? Yeah, we'll walk up here. Look, check it out. The road is awesome. Whoever did a road this time did an awesome job. It's staying together. It's staying in one piece. It's not being busted up and cracked. It looks good. This is all the same, all the same. Yeah. This hair place came in within the past, I don't know, 6 months or so, I'd say. But everything's the same here. Right there to the right, you go out to the Daewoo bus station. Yeah, it's very busy here. I gotta cross the street here. No smoked fish. Where's the smoked fish guy? No smoked fish guy. We always get smoked fish from the guy that has a stand. Here's the bakery. Smells good. Smells good. Yeah, maybe. Barbecue. No, I don't want barbecue. No, thank you. Barbecue. There's a puppy. More fish. What's out of luck with the bell pepper? She can't seem to find it. No bell pepper, you're out of luck.
Where can I find bell pepper?
I don't know. It's give and go around here when it comes to driving. Give and go on these side roads. Hi, Kuya. That will stop right here. This cat looks like Liberty.
Oh,
Here's this fish guy here. Got his tilapia here. We've had fish from here before. Only tilapia, no milkfish today.
Yeah. I think the milkfish is already there.
Yeah, we've had this fish here before. It's good. All right, hello. Hey, we'll walk back here.
There's an aloe vera.
Aloe vera plants. Yeah. Tear one off and put it on your leg. But you had 4 points. It's always busy. Especially this time of the day. Always busy. Huh? Yeah. Is that new back in here? Whoop. Is that new, Lut?
Yeah.
That's new. You bought food there? All right. I don't know. Nobody has bell peppers, Lut. This is this new, Lut, or they just set this up? Oh, this has been here. All right. Fish balls. Fish balls. So here's where the Sisig people move. Hi.
Hi, hello.
Hello, how are you? Oh, she has bell pepper. All right. There they are. These guys moved. Good, how are you? You guys moved. You got the corner spot now, huh? Is it hot in here? You got no air? Yeah.
Don't have access here.
What's that?
Don't have access.
No access. No fan, no nothing, huh? Yeah. So there's where they moved.
Long time no see, sir.
What's that?
Long time no see.
Yeah, I just haven't been around. We still have the store. It's just I haven't been around. She goes down to the store and I stay at home. So that's why I haven't been around. I got air conditioning at home. Yeah. So business is good. That's good. Good. There they are. I had people ask, how's the people with the Sisig place? And I said, I don't know. I haven't seen them. And then when I drove down here the other day, I seen you guys were here on the corner. So that's good. Good job. You're welcome.
Ha? Oo nga.
So yeah, they were over there. So now they got the corner spot here. Hey, go ahead.
35.
There it is, Sisig. You got bell pepper left? Huh?
No, I still have one bell pepper.
Still no bell pepper. Where's the bell pepper?
I don't know where.
Nobody's selling bell pepper. What fiesta is it? Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. There's some fiesta going on, but we have no idea. All right, there it is, guys. There's a little stroll through of the 4 points. Some things have changed, some things haven't. Definitely the traffic hasn't changed. The people haven't changed. The road is still looking good. No more flooding right there. She's still selling her vegetables, right?
Hello.
Hello.